Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. And today in Selvin Kitchen we have a delicious, awesome recipe. So today in Selvin Kitchen we're gonna cook shrimp soup with scallops. Guys, some of you guys never taste it before. Some of you guys drink it before. Some of you guys never have it before. So in Selvin Kitchen we're always trying to come up with something new, no idea. So this is gonna be mind-blowing. This is gonna be awesome, guys. So thank you guys to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen, and guys, take a time out and hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it, because Selvin Kitchen we have a lot more recipe coming out. And guys, have a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when everything is come. I know that this year is a horrible year for a lot of family. If anybody who lost a loved one, I give you my condolence from the bottom of my heart, Selvin Kitchen and his family. So guys, stay safe. Oh, there is not nice. Selvin Kitchen, beautiful, delicious recipe coming up. Take care, guys. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, and today in Selvin Kitchen we're gonna cook shrimp soup. So we have 10 large shrimps over here. We're gonna put in the soup. We already cleaned them up already. We already cut off all the feet, them and everything. We have 1 cup of plain flour. We have 4 tablespoons of cornmeal, 1 stalk of spring onion, half a cup of mixed vegetable. We have some pumpkin. We already cleaned them up. It was in the freezer. We have 2 carrots, 2 sticks of celery. We have 5 potatoes. So in today in Selvin Kitchen, guys, shrimp soup. So guys, the first step we're going to do now, we're just going to put in 2 sticks of celery. Just going to cut it up. My finger, guys, the knife is quite sharp. So we're going to put in the celery first, and then after we put in the carrot. So today in Selvin Kitchen, shrimp soup. In Selvin Kitchen we always have something new. So thank you guys to subscribe to my YouTube page. I really appreciate it. So we put in 2 sticks of celery and 2 carrots. So I don't cut them too small or too big. Just put on the lid on that. So I just add in my celery and my carrots. So now I just put in some of the pumpkin. I ain't gonna put in all of the pumpkin at the same time because I want this pumpkin to boil out to give it the color. Put in around half portion of the pumpkin. So I'm gonna give it around 10 minutes to cook before I put in anything more else in it. So in Selvin Kitchen, shrimp soup. So guys, today in Selvin Kitchen, we have something new. So in the recipe today, shrimp soup. Just gonna add in my flour now. Just making some dumpling. Add in some small one. So guys, this been cooking for the last 15 minutes. My dumpling ready cooked. So now I'm just gonna add in 1 cup of frozen vegetable without a star. So now I'm gonna add in my potato and my pumpkin. So I already put some punk in it ready to boil to give that soup that nice beautiful color. So my shrimps is here and my scallops. So I'm just gonna add some scallops to it as well. So today in Selvin Kitchen, shrimp soup with scallops. So that's gonna make this boil for around 5 minutes, and then I add in the shrimps. I don't want to put in the shrimps too early in it. So today in Selvin Kitchen, we always have something new, guys. So if you guys watching my video and you don't subscribe, please subscribe, and please share and like the video, and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. So guys, I just add in a stalk of spring onion and 2 pieces of thyme, dry thyme. The dry thyme give it the same flavor like the first time. Just add in a teaspoon of all-purpose season. So through adding a teaspoon of all-purpose season and the cut noodle, I have a little bit of salt in it. I'm just gonna add in half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a stir. So I'm gonna let this boil for around 5 minutes more, and then I put in my scallops and my shrimps. So the pumpkin and the potato will be cooking for the last 5 minutes. So now we're just gonna add in the shrimps and the scallops. Why I didn't put them in, because scallops and shrimps is very easy to cook, so I put them in last. Give it a stir. And that people, that look beautiful. So meanwhile, the shrimp is there, just gonna add in the 1 pack of cut noodle. So gonna give it a stir. So I want all of that cut noodle, everything to mix up. So I'm gonna give that 10 minutes to cook. Guys, look at that people. Oh, look at that beautiful. So I have a scotch bonnet pepper in it, so I don't want it to burst. Just want it to boil to give this soup that flavor. So now I'm just going to take it out. And it's beautiful shrimps. So this, guys, I'm just going to give it another 3 minutes and then I take it off. Guys, this is all finished. And those beautiful shrimps in it. This is all finished. This is. And that's people. So you know that in Selvin Kitchen we always have something new cooking. And that people. It's all finished. So now we're just gonna dish out some of it. Beautiful. Hello guys, this is all finished. Look at that people. That is a beautiful, delicious recipe. So in Selvin Kitchen, guys, today we cook shrimp soup with scallops. Beautiful. Some of you guys never have it before, and some of you guys maybe say, oh, what is that? Telling you people, try it. This is a beautiful, beautiful, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen. Guys, thank you to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen. I really appreciate it. And guys, please take a time out to hit that notification bell, so when I post a video you guys will get it. I have a lot more recipe coming out in Selvin Kitchen. Guys, have a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. And I will see you guys in the next beautiful, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen. Everybody, please keep safe. Selvin Kitchen. See you guys.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice.